Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best aluminum polish is probably one of the most effective ways to restore the luster and shine of your aluminum surfaces. Over time, aluminum can oxidize and lose its brilliance, but with the right polishing compound, you can easily remove tarnish and bring back that mirror-like finish. In this video, we'll dive into the world of aluminum polishing compounds, exploring what they are, how they work, and how to choose the best one for your needs. Number 5. Mother's 05100 Mag and Aluminum Polish, 5 ounces. This polish is designed to bring out the shine in your vehicle's metal surfaces. It's a great way to keep your car looking its best. Regular use will provide a long-lasting benefit. Using a clean cloth, apply a small amount of the polish. A little bit of effort will go a long way. This product is easy to apply. You can use this polish regularly without worrying about damage. It's gentle on your vehicle's surfaces. The product is designed for frequent use. The benefits of using this polish are long-lasting. It helps protect your vehicle's metal surfaces. It will keep them looking great for a long time. Applying this polish is a breeze. It's designed to be user-friendly. You'll find it easy to get a great shine. What we like. This polish is incredibly easy to apply, making it perfect for quick touch-ups. Its gentle formula ensures regular use won't damage your vehicle. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to maintain a brilliant shine on your aluminum surfaces, this is a great choice. What people say. Mother's 05100 Mag and Aluminum Polish is an outstanding product for cleaning headlights. I used it on my car's foggy headlights, and the difference was incredible. The 5 ounces bottle is easy to use, and just a small amount of polish goes a long way. It not only cleaned the headlights but also restored their clarity and shine, making them look brand new. The polish is gentle yet effective, leaving no residue behind. It works wonders on aluminum and magnesium surfaces as well, bringing out a brilliant shine. I used it on a very dull HGV diesel tank. Fantastic results with just one application. The full process will take a couple more applications to achieve the fine mirror finish, but all in all, great product. The headlamps on my wife's car were yellowed and dim. One good buffing and not as much elbow grease as I thought, and they were almost like new. Number 4. Chemical Guys Heavy Metal Polish 16 fluid ounces. Is your metal looking dull? This polish brings back the shine to tarnished and oxidized metal. It gives a mirror-like finish, making it look brand new. This polish uses natural cleaners and microabrasives to remove tarnish and oxidation. It restores the metal's original shine and clarity, making it look its best. It's not just a cleaner, it's a protector. This polish seals the metal with protective polymers. This helps prevent future stains, tarnish, and oxidation, keeping it looking great longer. This polish works on many metals, including stainless steel, copper, aluminum, brass, and even gold. It provides comprehensive care and protection for all your metal items. Chemical Guys is the choice of beginners and professionals. They offer top-quality car care products, world-class customer support, and extensive detailing knowledge. It's more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. This polish not only revitalizes tarnished metal but also protects it with advanced polymers. It's suitable for various metals, offering comprehensive care. If you have multiple metal items needing restoration and protection, you should consider this. What people say. It worked like a charm. Great for removing rust stains. Heavy metal was easy to apply, and I did not mask the plastic but also did not try to get it on plastic either. It did not make a mess of the plastic, which saved me a ton of work. There was a winter's worth of crud built up on the chrome, and I had pre-treated it with a so-called professional chrome protector, which required masking off the plastic surrounding the chrome, because if you get any on the plastic it leaves a white chalk stain that is time-consuming to remove. I really needed to get the crud off and checked out Chemical Guys Heavy Metal, which in Canada was a bit pricey, but their products have proven themselves with me in the last couple of years, and I was really glad I bought this product. No masking off plastic, and it did an amazing job getting off the winter buildup of Canadian winter road crud the car wash would not even touch. Number 3. DRIXET 6PC Metal Polishing Compound Kit. This DRIXET kit helps you achieve a mirror finish. It's perfect for DIY projects, removing dullness and bringing back the shine to make your items look new. Each compound bar is color-coded to indicate its abrasiveness. This makes it simple to identify and use them in the correct order, from coarse to fine, for the best results. The compounds are designed for use with a polishing wheel. Simply press the bar against the rotating wheel to transfer the medium, then apply the workpiece to the wheel. This kit is ideal for various metals, including aluminum, stainless steel, and brass. You can use it to polish, wax, clean, and restore many different materials. The set includes 6 different compounds, progressing from coarse to fine. Each bar measures 4.75 by 1 by 0.75 inches, providing everything you need for a perfect finish. What we like. This kit provides a range of compounds, color-coded for easy identification and use. It helps achieve a mirror finish on various surfaces. If you like having a complete set for different polishing needs, this kit is for you. What people say. The kit provides a variety of bars depending on the level of abrasiveness. I've found each bar works great ranging from stainless steel, silver, and steel that provides a mirror finish. After using a wire brush to remove the rust and sanding to remove minor pitting, I bought some small buffing and polishing wheels for my air tool and went to town. These compounds helped me slowly restore my project to its former glory, providing a mirror-like finish that I was able to spray paint and restore to a new life. I use these compounds to smooth grinding marks and remove 20 years of dark tarnish off a solid bronze cross. Now it shines like gold. Number 2. SCOTTCHEN 3-pack buffing polishing cutting compounds. This kit is designed to help you achieve a smooth and mirror finish on various surfaces. It's perfect for handling most of your polishing projects, making your items look brand new. These compounds are ideal for polishing metals. It works great on stainless steel, iron, aluminum alloy, brass, bronze, copper, silver, and gold. Applying this compound is easy. Simply turn a buffing wheel on a grinder or drill and lightly press the compound against the wheel. The heat and friction will transfer it onto the wheel. The polishing bars are color-coded for easy identification. Red is coarse, white is fine, and green is super fine, allowing you to choose the right compound for the job. Each bar measures 2 to 3/8 inch x 7/8 x 5/8 and weighs 35 g. The package includes 3 bars made of animal fat, providing everything you need for a professional finish. What we like. This kit is designed to achieve a smooth and mirror finish on a wide variety of surfaces. It's ideal for metals polishing buffing. If you are working on various metals, you should consider this. What people say. Worked perfect. Works great on our polishing wheels and helps bring out a smooth, professional finish on every piece. Perfect to get metal nice and clean. Number 1. 3D metal polish, heavy-duty metal polish. Is your metal looking dull? This product can restore brilliance to oxidized aluminum, chrome, brass, silver, copper, and more. It removes years of tarnish without scratching. Forget about harsh abrasives. This product uses advanced chemistry to break down oxidation safely and efficiently. There are no foul odors, no residue, and no damage, just pure shine. You can apply it by hand with a microfiber towel or use a polisher for large metal surfaces. It works on everything from custom wheels to engine bay accents to jewelry. You can dial in your results with controlled cut and polish. Most metal polishes work, but at a cost, scratches and haze. Not with this one. The formula cuts through grime and oxidation while preserving the integrity of the metal surface. You can get show car shine without compromise. With over 25 years of detailing innovation, this product delivers professional-grade results from the lab to your garage. It is trusted by car enthusiasts and pros alike, and is the smart choice for serious shine. What we like. This polish effectively removes oxidation and tarnish without harsh chemicals, ensuring a deep, clean, mirror-like finish. The formula cuts through grime and oxidation while preserving the integrity of the metal surface. If you like a professional-grade formula and want to show car shine, you should consider it. What people say. Works as good as any metal polish I've used, especially using a polishing pad with a drill or rotary polisher. Best polish I have ever used on bare aluminum wheels. Excellent product. Works on really tough stains very well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.